Well, hello there and greetings to you. It is Matt, the real video guy here. Let's go through the installation of the plugin. And I'm logged in here to my WordPress admin. I've gone to the plugins page and from here we can select add new. So I'm just giving that a click. And we can also see the link there next to plugins if you're already on the page. Once you get to this page, we just select upload plugin. Giving that a click, and now we navigate to the plugin zip file that we download from the members secure download page. So I'm just going to choose file, and here I've got it on my desktop and I'm just choosing open, and I'm going to click install now. Next we click activate plugin. Here we can see the plugin's being activated, and if we look on the menu here on the left, we can see MasterClass is installed. So let's go ahead and click that. And because this is a brand new installation for the first time on this site, we just need to activate the license. Now you can find the activations from the settings. Also, if you go ahead and just create your first class, you'll be automatically directed to the settings page to activate your license. So what we'll do here is we'll just go to settings here and choose MasterClass plugin. And we'll just go ahead and enter our license information. So that's your purchase details. And click update license. There we can see MasterClass plugin successfully activated, and here I can see my license information. Now we can go to the MasterClass menu and choose add new and go ahead and create our first masterclass. So that's how easily you can install and activate your MasterClass plugin. If you do get stuck along the way or you're not able to follow these instructions for whatever reason, then feel free to reach out for us and send us your login details and we'll give you a hand and get you up and running. So that's it for this one, and actually when you get it set up, then come back to the next video, which is going to be the quick start guide, and in the quick start guide we'll actually walk through the complete process of setting up your first masterclass.